As a brand, we have been probably the first people who have been creating digital-only content across our various properties, and we continue to do that. And in our own experience today, with the advertisers and us wanting to reach across to consumers with content which is unique, content which is relevant, content which is extremely interesting and watchable, so to speak, digital content really is the way to go. And we are big proponents of that, whether it be our advertisers, and the advertisers who get it and who have been experimentative along with us have seen that when you create digital only content, for the first time really you're offering something which is completely unique. You are using the platform for what it was meant to be, which is not just taking content from somewhere else which was created for a different medium and sharing it on this, but essentially understanding that if you look at stuff like Instagram, if you look at Snapchat, how do we create content which is extremely unique to these, using the entire platform for what it is? Or even for that matter, when you look at social, a person would not want to come to your Facebook and probably see something which is 10 minutes long. That is not the average viewing time of a content. So you have to make it short, you have to make it snappy, and you have to make it relevant. So digital content for us is the way to go, and we encourage brands to really come experiment with us on creating digital only content.